Hello, my name is Captain Vladimir Mosin. Today on Antonov 22 we will perform flight from Leipzig to Bremen.